So guys, sharing is here for more diving game on the LeetCode Cam channel. So in today's video, we are solving a question number 599 by the name of minimum index sum of two lists. And it's an easy one question which we are solving in today's video in Python 3. And in this question, there are some of the topics are included by the name of array, hash table and string. So yeah, we are solving this question by 599 question by the name of minimum index sum of two lists. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And one more thing I want to tell you that if you haven't accessed my LinkedIn profile, so go and access it. The link is in the description of my LinkedIn. And by the way, if you do not follow me on my WhatsApp channel, so go and follow it. My WhatsApp channel name is Rayyan. Okay, so go on, please access my WhatsApp channel. Okay, because in my WhatsApp channel I will be telling you why my video will not come and my video has been come and when my video will become, like these type of all the things. So without taking any time, let's move to computer screen. Let's start to solve this question 599. So for let's move to computer screen. Let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's start with today's video, and in today's video we are solving a question number 599 by the minimum index sum of two lists. So let's start. First of all, we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say to us, then we'll be start to solve it. Okay. Now it has been given me a two arrays of a strings. Means first array name is of string is list1 and second is list2. And what we're gonna do now, we want to find a common string with at least the index of sum. Means what we're going to do, we want to find the common strings with the least index sum. A common string is the string that appeared in both list1 and list2. A common string with the least index sum is a common string such that if it appeared at list square bracket I and list square bracket j, then I plus j should be the minimum value among all the other common strings. Okay. Highlighted some things, some common words which I am highlighting it. And what is our task in today's video? We want to return all the common strings with the common string with the least index sum, and we want to return the answer in any order. Please highlight this any order because we want to insert the output in any order. I highlighted something. I highlight this common string with the least index sum. I highlighted this common string. I highlighted common string with the least index sum. Then I highlighted common strings. Then I highlighted common strings with the least index sum. And then I highlighted any order. Some of the things I have highlighted, so please highlight because it is some little bit helpful for you in your solving. Okay. It has been give you three cases. So first of all, we understand the first case. In the first case, here he created one integer array by the name of list1, in which he wrote in down Shogun, Tapigo means some Burger King, KFC means here he wrote in down the restaurant names, and then here he created one string by the name of list2, in which he wrote in down Palati, the Grilatory, and then Pines, Hungry Hunter, Steakhouse, and Shogun. And the output has been coming Shogun. Okay, why? Because the only common string is Shogun. Because Shogun has been given two times. If you see in the second string array, the Shogun has been given, and the first string array by the name of list1, there is also the Shogun has been given. So that's why the output has been coming Shogun, because there is a one common string in Shogun. Okay, that's why. Okay, if you see the Tapico Express, Burger King, KFC, these are not coming in string array 2. Means in the list2 string, it is not coming. Okay, so that's why. If you see the example 2, here he created one in a string array by the name of list1, in which he wrote it down Shogun, Tapico Express, Burger King, KFC, and then here he written down in string list2, in which he written KFC, Shogun, Burger King. Okay, and the output has been coming Shogun. While if you are thinking now, KFC has been also become 2 times, and Shogun has been also become 2 times, and Burger King has been also become 2 times. But why the output has been coming Shogun? Because the common string with the least index sum is Shogun, with index sum equals to 0 plus 1 equals to 1. So that's why, because it is a common string with the least index sum. If you see the example 3, here you get a string array by the name of list1, in which he wrote in down happy, sad, good, and then here you get a one list 2, in which he written down sad, happy, good. And now happy, sad, happy and good, it is coming 2 times. Okay, why? And the output I'm going to sad, happy only. Why? Because there are 3 common strings. Happy with the index equals to 0 plus 1 equals to 1, sad with the index sum equals to 1 plus 0 equals to 1, and good with the index sum is equals to 2 plus 2 equals to 4. The strings with the least index sum are sad and happy. These are the constraints which you will be see here. Okay, so now let's start to solve this question in the Python 3, and I hope you understand the question, what is the question is trying to say us. Now let's start to solve this question in the LeetCode website. Okay, so there is a easy one question, and total 4,80,000 people have submitted it, only 2,79,000 has been accepted. Total 58% acceptance rate is. Okay, now first of all define a class of a solution. Now let's try to solve it. Define def keyword find restaurant self comma list 1, then list str. List 1 is a one string array, so that's why we are writing in the list. I am writing a me istr. List 2, list str, and then minus greater than list str. Let me call it enter. Index sum equals to inf. List 3 equals to set list 2 for I comma word in enumerate, and then list 1 semicolon enter. Perfect. Now what we gonna do now? Here we define if statement word in list 3, then if statement I sum semicolon equals to I plus list 2 dot index word less than index sum semicolon enter. Now what we're gonna do now, here we define index, okay sorry, result equals to word, and then index sum equals to I sum elif. Now when we do this all the things, so now what we're gonna do now, here remove these all the thing. Okay, please press control so it will be removed faster as you think. I sum equals to index sum semicolon enter result dot append, and then define here word, and then return the result here. So here we write it about all the codes, and now let's see the running code. The last thing is to run the code. So when I run this code, so the running code has been accepted. You see the case when our expected output is Sogan and my also output coming Sogan. The case to the expected output is Sogan, my also output coming Sogan. In the case to the expected output is sad and happy, and my also output coming sad and happy. Now the last thing is to submit this code. So when I submit this code, the submission code is also be correct, and I beat 37.78% people. So let's boost this solution. Easy solution beats 37.38%. Okay, and then in Python 3, for more explanation visit Rayyan channel. Okay, so here in today's video we solve question number 599 by the name of minimum index of sum of 2 list. Okay, so now one more thing let me tell you. Now in the next video we solve about 600 question. We successfully completed many questions. So in next video I solved 600 question. So please get ready for it, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And I solved 231 question in one. Let me show you. Let me see. Okay, here I solved many questions. If you see here, and I solved, let me see, first question. Let me see, I solved my first question in January 9. Okay, I started to solve question from January 9, and I solved it January 9 till this date, till 28th of June. Here I solved 231 questions. It is a big achievement. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So now let me see you in the next video, and next very amazing video. So for today, goodbye.